You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So we are looking at how to pronounce this name, and this is also a syllable. We'll be looking at how to say more names and vocabulary that many get wrong, so stay tuned to learn more. As a name, it's said as sigh, sigh. Yes, if it's a syllable, well, depending on the word, it may be said either sigh or see, but not a K sound, generally speaking in English, because C before a Y makes an S sound. Sigh as a name, sigh or see as a syllable. And now you know, more videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.